Good morning. Let's go out and look at my garden. My lavender I just planted. My hydrangea is coming up so beautifully. Of course, rosemary is getting very tall. Oh, my beautiful rose bushes. They're doing so well. Just beautiful. I love my peach coral rose bush. Oh, wow. They're doing so well. Happy spring, guys. Hey. This used to belong to my sister. I painted it. This was my mom's favorite in my garden. Crimson red, black diamond. Crepe myrtles. She's getting so tall. It's a beautiful day. Ooh, it's so breezy. Easy breezy. I painted her. She looks very good. Weather had beaten her up. Now she's fresh and new. So cute. I just stuck that in there. Yeah. Here's another crepe myrtle. This one has beautiful white flowers. It's looking really nice. This was another one of my mom's favorite. My tropical hibiscus. It's coming up. My strawberries. It's doing all right. What you got there? Ooh, strawberries. Blackberries. No, that's my blueberries. I always get that mixed up with. It's a beautiful day. Be out in the garden. Yay. Uh-oh, what's the black spots? I heard it through the grapevine. That's mine. Look at my grapes. You see it right here. Doing just fine. My blueberries. They're doing really well this season. Last year, they didn't do so well. My blackberries. Strawberries again. More grapes coming. Ooh. Get it, girl. Get it, girl. Yep. Well, it looks like my banana tree is doing just awesome. I cut it down and wrapped the leaves around the base, and it's coming back. So I had trimmed my little rose bush over yonder. You see how big it is this year? I had trimmed it and took some of the branches. And look at this little baby right here. She is coming up. It's the kids' new playscape that we got from our great friend. And I'm going to paint the top. Y'all see that? Watch what I do with it. Better than the last one. My baby's little house. I'm gonna figure out what I'm gonna do with that. It's supposed to be a little planter, but collects a lot of water and bugs and dirt and stuff. Okay, so this is the other banana tree that I got. I don't know if I should leave it here. It looks a little broken. I'll put it here for a little privacy. So we're off the street. Look at that shed. I painted that. I did that. Looking good. So yeah. Anyway. I may have to move her. We'll see. Give it a couple weeks. See what the dogs do. They can be pretty brutal. I love our bamboo. Except when it comes up in places we don't want it. We had it trimmed back last year. But look at this buddy. Should I do a little hideout in here? Gotta watch out for snakes. Oh, what is this? Looks pretty. All of our land. Here. The wind is not playing today. It is that sun, honey. Get it, sun. See the little shoots coming up. Let me see them. My husband cut them with the lawnmower. I painted that with the white paint to help with the wear and tear on the old baby. Our tree is so old, but it's beautiful, so big and pretty. And so we put the barrier there to keep the dogs out because I had to build it up with dirt and put more seeds down. You can tell that's new, beautiful green grass. We had to keep the dogs out with all the dirt and new grass growing. It's coming up nice. These trees are new. Well, bushes. A tree. Put all these bushes here for a little privacy. So we did the brick pavers a few years ago. And we also added the screened-in deck. That's why we put these beautiful little trees here. So pretty. It's been a lot of rain though, so I don't know how well they're doing, but it's life. It's my catnip. I planted the pot. Catnip is supposed to repel mosquitoes, but I see little bugs flying off of it every now and then, so I don't know. But I like the bushes. Nice little separation. Oh, I'm gonna paint these again. As you can see, I painted them, but the paint is chipping. It's time for a fresh new paint. I'm gonna have a burn old pictures of people that's not in my life, honey. Yep, that's next. Grass is doing so well. That green grass. See it? So I cut this down last year. Look at it. I mean, it is huge. It didn't have near this many flowers last year. So much life and beauty. It's so healthy too. I don't know, it wasn't this healthy either. I guess like the big chop with my hair. Haha. Came back healthy. So my Encore Azalea Autumn Royalty. I got a lot of water and moisture over here in this area, so it wasn't doing too well, but I kind of moved it over a little bit closer to the trees we planted, which are doing great over here, I see. Really great. Hey, New Life. Hey, I see ya. Oregano. Keeps coming back. Okay, let's see what we got coming. Going on up here. I really don't know what this is. Came up from last year though. So we'll see. My mom painted this. She helped me paint it years ago. So we moved it up here. It looks so nice. You know I love succulents. Ooh, come on through, cilantro. Little pieces and try to regrow them. Come on through, tomatoes. I got two different kinds. Bitter Boy. And I got the Bonnie Original. Fine Italian parsley. It's my bell peppers. And these are my peppers, hot peppers. Let's turn it around, see what we got here. Got a little too much water down in the garden, so I had to bring it up here and let it dry out. We'll see how it does. My begonias. My granny loves begonias. Come on through, petunias. Filling this whole pot up. Gardenia. Hey, girl. I love them. I gotta pull those off. This was my pink lemonade hibiscus. I was trying to see what she was gonna do. Nothing, it seems. Look at my lemon tree. Come on through, lemons. There you go. There you go. Trying to know about sunflowers. No shade. I have to change my little nectar. I don't know what's going on. I have to learn to pick that too. I cut her down. Last year I didn't. She was so out of control and ugly. I just cut her recently, but I see some new life down there, but usually it grows on the branches, so I may have to just remove her. I bought this light up spinner from Kroger a few years ago, actually, and I just recently painted it. It was so dull, but it looks so pretty now. I gotta put the ladder on.